we are here at Blitz 21 for the Oregon versus Fresno game. We're about to get this party started inside.
Holy moly, is that my boy Masoli? Cooking up the offense like he's cooking ravioli. Cooking up the campus like his name is Jeff Riccoli. He can run, he can pass, he is sicker than E. coli. Jeremiah always keeps things rolling. 300 average when he goes rose bowling. In the end zone strolling, he is rolling along while the DB QB second.
Can you show me your best Oregon Ducks O face? Even though you're from Cali. One more time.
Oh!
Oregon Ducks.
Too rowdy in this place.
That's what we needed. He's awesome.
Stacking weights like Legos, toasting Pac-10 like day egos, like a race in the.
Didn't you go to Oregon State?
Thank you so much for joining us. And Blitz TV, I'm Bev.
And I'm Lon.
Join us next week on Saturday to see Oregon and Tennessee. Blitz Pearl this time. See you there. Thank you for showing us your O face.
Then the Gaza Strip. Get the bread from the toast.